Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Miss Naturally Mary here. If you are new, be sure to subscribe by the end. Today's video, I'm going to be doing something a bit different. I am going to try a Peakmill tutorial. If you don't know who Peakmill is, then you have been under a rock. She is the dopest hair guru ever. I have been following her for the longest time and she is just amazing. If you've seen any of her work, you already know what I mean. Peakmill did this tutorial about a year ago where she did this bomb two-tone curly fro, and I did a video maybe about a week or so ago with a unit that had the chunky color in this region. Now hers is more so on the blonder side, but I feel like it's still going to give you the same vibe as her curly fro. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I take perm rods and create a similar look using a Her Giving Hair unit. So let's see what that looks like. By the way, if you are wondering about the hair that I'm currently wearing, I already have a tutorial. I will link it for you guys, so be sure to check it out. I showed you guys how I cut it like this. I didn't have to dye or anything, girl, but we cut it and the shape is really, really awesome. So y'all be sure to watch that tutorial. This one, we're gonna be doing a bomb perm rod set following Peakmill's tutorial. Let's do this. All right, before we get into doing the perm rod set, I do want to show you all what my unit looks like in its original state. Peakmill did not use a ready-made unit. She actually created her unit herself using bundles from Maven, but my unit is from Her Giving Hair. It came with the color, the shape, and the cut and everything. I will absolutely leave her tutorial down in the description box. This is what mine looks like on my head before doing the perm rod set. Be sure to check the cards for this particular tutorial where I show you all how I install. We're going to skip the next step where she actually colored the hair and move directly onto the perm rod set because we don't have to color it. Mine is already colored. I couldn't find the styling lotion that she used or the oil in Walmart, so I just went with the Motions Foam Wrap and also the Argan Oil of Morocco oil, which is just as good. And also my perm rods are a different size. She used orange, but I only had pink, so I went with that. And I feel like it's going to do the trick, especially because my hair is not as long. After applying the oil and the mousse, I just put the perm rod at the end of the length of the small section of hair that I took out and just proceeded to roll it from the tips all the way to the roots and then secured it in place. I also worked from the back of the unit and worked my way up to the front, but you can start in the front and work your way back like Peakmill did. It's really up to you. You can still be just as effective either way. Now that we've loaded this unit with about 50 plus perm rods, okay, I don't even know if it was 50. It looks like 50, but I allowed the hair to air dry overnight, and I also had to put it under a hooded dryer just to make sure it was fully dry. I decided to put it on my head, but you can take the perm rods out on your mannequin head if you're doing this on a wig, but you can do this on your natural hair too. So I'm just taking them down really quickly. It really doesn't matter which direction you go in, they're still gonna look great. This is what they look like without having manipulated them or anything, but I'm gonna separate, try to do it as carefully as possible, but frizz will look great with this look. And I just feel like you can't go wrong. When you separate it to your heart's desire, grab that pick and begin to fluff to make it bigger. We're gonna add some volume, we're gonna give it some and then we're gonna be finished, y'all. So this is the finished product. Y'all let me know what you think. Hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I feel like it turned out really well. Let me know if I did half as good as Peakmill. Hers was much bigger and fuller, and it was also a different, it was lighter in this area, but I feel like it still looks similar and it's a really rocking look. I look forward to your comments and feedback. Be sure to subscribe, like this video. I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.